create a halftone effect in After Effects. New composition, I'm gonna call it footage. Drag and drop my model in, then go new composition, call it main comp, then drag and drop the footage comp in main comp. Right click, new, solid, call it background. Make sure it's white, okay. Drag and drop that below the footage, uncheck the footage, new, solid, halftone, and make this one black. Okay. Effects and presets, CC ball action. Apply that to the halftone layer. Grid spacing 4, ball size 30. New adjustment layer. Apply camera lens blur. Blur radius to 6. The layer to the footage. Source effects and masks. And then tick invert blur map. Apply your levels. And then click and drag this first handle all the way to the right until we can see the effect. And then on the background, we can apply a fill effect. So we can change it to any color that we like. And then finally, I'm just gonna add a posterized time on the footage. Change the frame rate to 10, which I think suits the effect. If you found this tutorial helpful, then subscribe to Astrella for daily After Effects.